Hello students, welcome back. In last video, we studied about parallels of latitude and now we are going to study meridians of longitude. Take an example of an orange. If I peel this orange, you will see these lines along the slices. These are meridians of longitude. Longitude's line that runs from north to south on earth are called meridians of longitudes. Lines are measured same as parallel of latitude in degrees, minutes and seconds. So you may ask, are the meridians of longitude equal distance like the parallel of latitude? So answer will be no. Unlike parallel of latitude, the meridians of longitude intersect at the north and south poles. One of these meridians is considered to be 0 degree. It is known as the prime meridian. The angular distance of the other meridians from the prime meridian are measured in degrees and are called longitudes. The circle divides the earth in the western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. All meridians are equal in size. Meridians in the eastern hemisphere are labeled as 10 degree east, 25 degree east, 135 degree east, etc. While in the western hemisphere they are labeled as 10 degree western, 25 degree west and 135 degree west, etc. 30 degree east, 30 degree east is the semicircle. So 30 degree east is the semicircle that joins all places at an angular distance of 30 degree of 30 degree. This 30 degree Harare, Cairo, Harare and Durban. Though the earth is huge in size, we can tell the exact location of places on the earth using latitude and longitude. Note that the distance between two adjacent parallels is the same everywhere. So these parallels are same everywhere. But the distance between two adjacent meridians is not the same everywhere. See, these lines are not same everywhere. The distance between the meridians is the maximum on the equator and goes on reducing here. There goes on reducing towards the poles. At the poles, it is 0. Degrees are divided into minutes, minutes into seconds. Conventionally, latitudes and longitudes are expressed into degrees, minutes and seconds. Each degree is divided into 60 minutes and a minute into 60 seconds. These values are expressed using the symbols degree symbol in degree, minute and seconds. In all, we can draw 360 meridians, each at a distance of 1 degree. 0 degree prime meridian, 180 degree meridian, 1 degree east to 179 degree east meridians. Thus, We have 179 meridians in the Eastern Hemisphere. 1 degree west to 179 degree west meridians, thus 179 meridians in the Western Hemisphere. Now look at this globe. Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle. Next part of this lesson is the graticule. The parallels and meridians on the globe form a net that is called a graticule. This facilitates determining the location of a place. Thus, we use latitude and longitude for determining the locations on the earth. This method is being used even in today's modern age quite effectively. Geographical Information System, Global Positioning System means GPS, is as also Google Maps, Wikipedia, and Bhuvan of ISRO on the internet also make use of latitudes and longitudes. This technology is also available on mobile phones and motor cars. Do you know Indian regional positioning system? India has achieved self-reliance in global positioning technology with the help of IRNSS means Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. Locating any place in the Indian subcontinent is going to be easy. For this, India is launching its own series of 7 satellites. It will be possible to locate any place in the region of South Asia and the Indian Ocean preciously. We'll look after the exercises of this lesson. Question number 1a. Place a tick mark against correct options. This question number 2. Observe globe and examine the following statements. Correct the wrong one. And C question. Find the correct graticule out of the following and put a tick mark against it. This exercise you are going to do it your own. Answer the following. Try to find out all these answers and post it on the group. Be connected in next video. Thank you.